Hi guys, welcome back to Karamia's Corner. I'm back with a Tuesday morning haul, but this time I'm presenting a $20 challenge, and in addition I'll be showing you in this video how I'm going to be using the supplies I purchased today. So if you'd like to join the challenge, I'd love to see what you can buy for $20, that's before tax, and I want to see what projects you make with the crafty items you have purchased. So we are starting off the haul with this 12 by 12 collection kit from Simple Stories for the Reset Girl. This kit was $5.99. Let's have a look and see what it comes with. Let's have a look at our first sheet. Oh, I love this. Nice combo there. The back side has a floral print with the words in the background. That's one of my favorites. And I love this. It has that dictionary format, that vintage blue. Look at these colors. These will be fun to use. I usually use these types of pads for making scrapbooking pages, or I use them a lot for my flip books, for snail mail. Here's another sheet with pink and speckled dots. More florals. Look at that. And here's one with a pattern. I love seeing how my other crafty friends use these pads because everyone has a different perspective and different idea of how they'd like to use it. So if you'd like to share that, make sure, if you'd like to join this challenge or just share your work, tag me at Karamia's Corner or do a video response with this $20 challenge at Tuesday morning. Look at this wonderful sheet. I love the vintage tickets. We also have the library card. Love that. I like this as well. Creativity is my language. So true. Love it. Time for a reset. The new year is always an opportunity to do that. So this year, this is a new segment that I'm doing. Once a month, I'll have a $20 challenge featuring Tuesday morning hauls. I'll probably add some of the other crafty stores like Michael's or Hobby Lobby. Definitely add that. Love this page as well. And we have another one with a pattern. Look how cute these birds are. And that's our brown back side. And now we have our 3x4 journal cards. I love these. Look at that heart. It'll be perfect for a Valentine's project. We have our planner here. These are so cute and they're double-sided as well. Love it. Here's another one. This time we have our 4x6 sheets. So pretty. I previously purchased a Reset Girl kit from Peachy Cheap. If you haven't seen that video, I'll make sure to put a link at the end. But these are so much fun to use. Then we have these. I think these are 4x4s. And then we have our 4x6 here. It's so pretty. Love this. We have more. Love the typewriters. And it looks like we have one sticker sheet here with some alpha stickers and different little embellishments that you can definitely use in your planner. And if you like to do snail mail like I do, you can definitely add it to your flip books or file folio books as well. The next item I added to my basket was the Reset Girl Library Pockets. This comes with 8 and it's $1.99. Let's have a look and see what they look like. I love the wood grain geometric shapes here. Look at these pink lines. These are super fun. Here's another one that looks more like the standard library card. And again, it's a blank slate. You can decorate it and with washi, some embellishments, some ephemera. Here's another one. It has the date, says the memory. These are cute for journals. And here's one with that vintage restaurant guest check. Love the floral print on this one as well. The back side looks like that. Another floral pocket here. And here's another one with the same pink card. I love this. Again, perfect for journals or listers. If you love to read and you want to put the date of when you read the book, you can definitely do that. Like these polka dots as well and the blue card. So you got 8 of those for $1.99. The next 2 items I purchased were paper clips. These are perfect for your planners. You can also add them in snail mail to embellish your flip books. Use it for card making or markers as well when you plan or journalize. I love the Reset Girl theme here. Look how cute these are. Love this clipboard. Then we have a heart. Here's another one. I love the floral print and pastel colors, and look at that cute dog, and I love this camera. Okay, so far I've spent $11.96. The next item is a 99-cent 2-sheet planner sticker from Jelly Bean. You have 182 sticker faces that you can use in your daily, in your planners. I'm excited to use these as well. The next item I purchased was this Crate Paper Snow and Cocoa stamp set. There's 14 clear stamps here for $1.99. I'm excited to include this in an annual swap box that I am sending off to a dear friend of mine. So if she sees this video, she will have revealed one of the little gifts I've included in that swap. So I love this super cute clear stamps that you can definitely use for Christmas this year. Next, I got this cute tags and label kit for 99 cents. This is by a brand called Sweet Nothings. Let's have a look and see what this kit comes with. I can already see a Valentine's theme underneath all of these. Here's a cute one with a bee that says, "Don't worry, happy now." I love these. Love the floral. Here we go. I see some hearts. We can definitely add more embellishments and word stamps on that. Look at this cute one. The backside's blank. Here's another cute tag. For 99 cents, this is not bad. You have so many tags that you can definitely use for packaging, swapping with some of our pen pals. February 14th, love this. I can't wait to use this for my Valentine's projects. How cute is that? Love Potion. We have this one. Now we have a round tag. That's always cute. Oh, look at these tiny ones. We have several ones in different colors. I see some hearts. More heart. Little cute tag labels. We can definitely mix them up. How cute is that? And now we have some of these rectangular labels. These should be fun to put some stamps on, like word stamps again. And what is this? Just an oval die cut there. And it looks like a word that spells some letters here. You can make a cute little banner that spells love. Let's have a look and see what's underneath. More shapes. There's another heart. The letter L is under there. We have the O, so that completes our word love. And a few more of these cute tags. How cute is that? And with stripes, and one looks like a floral print as well. And finally, I found this We Are Memory Keepers wax seal stamp kit. It has a butterfly seal. I love the colors of the wax. They have white and minty blue here, so I'm excited to use this when I send off my mail to my snail mail friends. I can't wait to show you how I will use this in just a bit. Okay friends, I wanted to show you what I use the supplies for today. The first item is inspired by my Hobonichi's page marker. So going to show you, I have a couple planners that I use. This is my regular daily planner where I put my kids' schedules or appointments or whatnot. This is my creative planner. So what I did was use our Reset Girl and created a planner insert with the pockets. So it is also a page marker. It has the today there, and I love this paper clip. It says Planner's Got a Plan. We have a pocket here at the top. Just love the way she looks here. It says make today ridiculously amazing, and I love that it has 7 days of the week here. So in this small pocket, I was able to put some of my washi tape. Also can include a little bit of page flags here. This one says things I'm likely to forget. And on the back side, we have our other side of our pocket. There's another pocket where I can put my clear stickers. And these were the stickers I purchased as well in this haul. I love these clear stickers. These will be perfect for my dailies. And use and cut out some of the images from the paper pad and use some of the stickers on it. We have our planner girl, write your story, love this typewriter in the heart, and it says pencil it in. And finally, wanted to share this loaded envelope that I created for my sister who's celebrating her birthday this Wednesday, January 24th. So you'll see the number 24 in there. It says celebrate. This paper kit definitely matched the theme I was going for. My sister's a writer. She loves to read. So here I made a simple bookmark. It also has the brand Simple Stories, but I kept it there because it fit the theme. And we have a couple pockets here. I'm going to stuff it later. I don't want to show the goodies I'm putting in just in case she's watching this video. Accented this curled opening here with this paper clip, and also added this floral embellishment at the front of the pocket. Some of the images I cut out from the paper pad or the typewriter. This was from a Reset Girls sticker pack. It says no one in the world like you. I love that. Here at the bottom, you remember those little pockets that had the library cards, and I have a Reset Girl little card here that I put, and then just put a little bit of embellishments. I love this. This is from the same paper pack. My story isn't over yet. So this is cute. In here, I plan to put a gift card behind this little library card. And at the bottom, use some washi from Target Spot that says make your mark. We flip it over. We have another pocket here in the back. And it says she's a dreamer, doer, thinker. She sees possibility everywhere. Again, there are a couple pockets in here. Love this sticker. Love this image, a very confident image there. Another pocket here. I put a little paper pad that says write on. She loves Paris. So the base of the loaded envelope is an actual folder with the Paris images there. So I think she will love this. And I will again put more things here in our envelope. So hope you like my Tuesday morning $20 challenge haul and project share. Now please stay tuned. I am going to show you a few more projects that's coming up in my Valentine's segment using our typecast wax seal and some of these tags. Again, thanks for watching Caramia's Corner. See you next time.